The FIM-92 Stinger is an American man-portable air defense system that operates as an infrared homing surface-to-air missile. It can be adapted to fire from a wide variety of ground vehicles and from helicopters as the air-to-air Stinger. It entered service in 1981 and is used by the militaries of the United States and 29 other countries. It is principally manufactured by Raytheon Missiles and Defense and is produced under license by Airbus Defense and Space in Germany and by Roketsan in Turkey. Stinger missiles: how Ukraine could take down Russia's Air Force. Russia is getting a taste of bitter medicine again. Stinger missiles that harassed and maimed Russian aircraft during the war in Afghanistan a generation ago are back in limited numbers on the Ukrainian battlefield and doing damage to Russian air assets. President Joe Biden announced on March 1 that a shipment of Stinger anti-aircraft weapons would be sent to Ukraine as part of a $350 million military aid package. Germany will supply 500 Stingers, and the Baltic states have provided the anti-aircraft system to Ukraine since January. Other countries such as Italy and Netherlands will also send air defenders. Stinger missile: shots usually succeed. The targeting system, according to Military Today, can identify friendly aircraft to avoid fratricide. When the launcher locks on target, there is a vibration signal and a speaker. The rocket has a solid-fueled propulsion and produces a velocity that is twice the speed of sound. It has a highly explosive 6-pound fragmentary warhead. Raytheon says on its corporate website that the Stinger missile has a 90% success rate in reliability and training tests. Stinger missile should be helpful in urban combat. Stingers allow for versatile tactics, techniques, and procedures. They will come in handy during urban combat, in which a crew can hide in a bunker or building and blast helicopters and low-flying fighters out of the sky. The Russians have shown that they are using helicopters to land troops in air assault operations, so the Stinger can defend against these actions.
We can use it against enemy jets, helicopters. We can use it against drones, but we have other weapons.